Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, ohun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Let's call a spade a spade. Ṣọ́rọ̀ mi ò tó bínú ni. Mi ì dẹ̀ bínú, mi ì sọ̀rọ̀ kankan ju pé mo kàn dákẹ́ náà ni. Mi ì sọ̀rọ̀ yìí rí. Bẹ̀ má sọ lẹ́nìí. For the first time, mi ń sọ, mi ì dẹ̀ grant interview lórí ẹ̀rí. Because ó heavy fún mi láti sọ lẹ́nu. Ó tún heavy fún mi láti gbà.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How are you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. My people know be smart, you know, and I know saying that different is nine they land for my table, and as the news they land for my table, that's why they carry and call you to share out with honor. My people, for today's video, I go to watch and together with honor. All right, my people, Moko go watch the video to see what really they happen for inside the video. My people,
go shin ko teyan josi. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ kọ́ not down tẹ́kọ̀ ti kọ́ bóyá irú tẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ìyá ẹgbọ́n mú wà bí ẹ̀yin ìyá káwọn àfáà jáde tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bú yín àní ẹ kọ́kọ́ pé àwọn àfáà tó jáde ńgbà yín náà wọ́n sọ wọ́n ní ẹ̀ka àwọn ìyá kún irú nọ́nsẹ̀nsì wo ni orin kátikàti yẹn ṣe mọ̀ pé tá pé irú ìgbà yẹn àbí after later lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kọrin pé oyún kóyún sàárà ni àwọn èèyàn tó máa ń fúnyàn lórúkọ àwọn èèyàn bíi tíyín tí wọ́n máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn sùn àwọ̀sáwọ̀ tí wò kí ń lo protection wá máa jó sí àwọn obìnrin náà tí orí wọn ò pé àwọn náà àjò sí but àsìkò yìí ẹni paternity controversy ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá kọrin yẹn nǹkan tẹ́ fi ń yé wa what we understood by that song is that ọmọ tí wọ́n bí fún yín tí wọ́n sọ pé oyún kóyún ẹni tó lóyún kóyún sàárà ni that means pé ọmọ yẹn sàárà ni that is nonsense as o kò bímọ náà ni èmi ní pé ẹ̀mí yẹn kò já mọ́ kankan fún yín. I will tell you the story of one man torí nǹkan tẹ́ ń dánwò yẹn you can't try it abroad and that's why Nigeria if you that is whining and dining with the leaders, and you are the mayegun of Yoruba land. Mayegun of Yoruba land. If you reason like that and sing and talk like that, then where is our moral value? Where is it? It starts from you people. So if you can say, Omo is Sarah, what do you expect from younger generation? So if they come to report likes of younger musicians to you, maybe someone gets pregnant for a younger musician, how can they come and report to you when you are singing that kind of song? Oyún kóyún sàárà ni, sàárà ni, oyún kóyún sàárà ni. There's a man, Boris Bagger. He's what, you know, in everything in law, we always have precedents and we always table it as an example. That is how we talk. In Germany, I think if you know about that case or you can open it, Bossman, I think I sent you a link. I'm not sure if I sent you the link of that. But if you open it or if you read it, Boris, he was married. He was a legend. Lawn tennis legend. He impregnated a waitress. Hotel waitress. Ó kàn lọ bá ṣe banging nínú hotel. Ó lọ kùlùbọ́ ẹ̀ nínú hotel. Ó bá fún lóyún. Married woman ni. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé abroad, when you are married, the only reason that the court can look and if you can tender evidence that they will not tell you to go through the procedure. Just tender evidence of adultery or lie. They will dissolve the marriage immediately. And the person that committed the adultery will be the one to lose. So therefore, this particular guy denied the pregnancy too. Then you know she denied pregnancy. In fact, the lawyer, they went to court and defended with money. Defended his client that no, that he used condom. That his client used condom, and that the claimer actually the waitress went, used the condom, put to the CD, took the kini kon ato stem o da sara pe ko nko lo da sínú ara baby yen. Go and open that story. You will Boris Beggar, if I'm correct. Can I shock you? It was a big lawsuit. Let me tell you, in a country that the law works abroad, the law works. No one is above the law. Not like Nigeria. High and mighty, they bully the less privileged. Nothing works in Nigeria. Nothing. And you see, this is why Alaji likes what you are doing. Speaking volume. It speaks volume. How this abroad you come to, can you try it here? They will take you and you will do DNA. It can jeopardize everything of yours. As long as that child is birthed abroad. It's because it's Nigeria they birthed all those children. Ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin àbí mo máa wò lẹ ṣe ń ṣe bẹ ṣe ń ṣe yẹn. Tó bá yẹ pé ìlú òyìnbó ni wo bí kankan nu yín dá láti try nǹkan tẹ́ ń try yẹn. Ìrìn àjò tí yín gan á kọ́kọ́ dàrú ná. Can I shock you all? The waitress won. Eventually. And do you know what they did? He took up responsibility of that child and the woman. Go and read the decision. After a while, he started fighting because his wife divorced him. He was married. For this reason, the wife divorced him. Ìyàwó ló tún win. Ó tún sanwó kù nẹ. Can I shock you again? The girl now, I've forgotten her name. She has one pretty name. If you go and read the story, common Anne or so. I think her name is Anne. I've forgotten, but check. Do you know that child, that girl, is now a model? A model. And the father, they are best of friends now. He lost his marriage. He didn't even know that the child would be such a glorious child. They are best of friends and they go everywhere together. Go and Google and read this story. At a point, he was fighting the mother to take the child from the mother. It's his child. Do you make sense from what I'm saying? That is in a country where the system works. That is a prominent man, a legend. His name is Boris Becker. I just cited that example so that you know that it happens everywhere. The lady that got pregnant for him was a waitress. So you know, I bet she was earning the lowest wage. pia pẹ̀lú girl yẹn ni. Ó dẹ̀ doyún. Ó dẹ̀ deny ye. For years. For years he denied it. But eventually, they did the needful. And bam, you can't get away. You can lie with your mouth. But in a country where the system works, you can't get away. Because they will nail you with the truth. So, why I cited this example is so that you know that although it's not only in Nigeria that things like this happen. Men mess around. People do things. They sleep with any. Some people. Have you watched Pretty Woman? But Richard Gere was the one that is probably not a true life story, of course, but things like that happen. Eventually, we'll fair around. So you see, I'm citing all these examples so that Alaji doesn't think, oh, because that girl Ogechi or the lady Ogechi, he impregnating the person, maybe because he feels that she's low class or anything, means that okay, he can just bully her. Because to me, I see this as bullying. If you decide that okay, yeah, she's gone away, she's gone, oh no, it didn't work out for her wherever she went to, and she had kids elsewhere, that's still none of your business. But if you are taking care of only your child, and if you doubt paternity, what you should have done is simply go ahead and do DNA. Not that song you sang. You are showing to the world that you are heartless, sir. No. You are showing to the world that you are heartless. That is not good. Whatever the song you want to sing, this period, this time, you should be sensitive to what is there. Even though you love, yeah, I know that, what do they call you? Celebrities thrive in controversy. They love it because it's like, you know, it draws attention to them. They love it. That's how they feel that's the way to, of course, get people talking about them. But there are some kind of things that, no, not this one. That plain one, that Ganusi one, those ones make sense. But this one is too sensitive. A child is involved. In fact, if you even chose that you are not going to take care of that child, or you don't want that child, that song that you did, you shouldn't have done it. That you sang this period, you shouldn't have. Darara, go and listen to that girl. I can tell you people that after that we had this chat the last time, and I personally went to listen to that girl again. Personally, on my bed. Like, you know, I'm that kind of person. When I listen to stuff, I don't quickly grab it. Like, I love to listen to it on my own. I segregate myself, you know, isolate myself, put my earphone, and I listen to it whilst I was going to bed. To that girl, and I sense and I feel a lot of bitterness in that girl. A lot of bitterness. Alaji, I even sense that it is that girl that made the mother to come out with what she was saying. To some of you that said she talks like a street girl, if you look at her, you will know she's not a street girl. Looking at her, she needs to use those terminology like she rightly said, because she wants to go into music. And she's going from, you know, hand to mouth music. She's not meeting the right people. Assuming her father is available, most likely he would have introduced her or even stopped her. Don't do music now. Go to school first. When you're done education, you can decide to go into music. It will be the one to advise her. I don't see all these things that you mothers are talking about. She talks like soro, what do you people say, street girl? No, I don't see it. It's slangs. I see her using those words that they use in music to talk. Tenny uses those words when they are with their family. I bet they don't talk like that, but they need to use them to sing. Even all these our lovely musicians that we are loving lately, they use those terminologies. And when they are not, they after all, she's not talking like Portable. In fact, at this moment, people are even praising Portable. Alaji ṣé ti gbọ́. Àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n sọ pé Portable ó dáa jù yín lọ. Torí Portable máa ń jà fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ó máa ké báyìí, á máa bú àwọn baby mama ẹ̀ pé kó gbọ́ ọmọ òun wá o, ọmọ òun ni o. Don't take my kids elsewhere. Portable. 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 People are saying that it's better than you. If they can say Portable is better than you, kí ló tún kù? Àwọn kan tún sọ pé DJ Chicken better jù yín lọ. Nínú àbí kí ó jẹ́ abiamọ as a man, taking up responsibility of their kids. As a man. DJ Chicken. If they can use such people to you that you are a year to 70 and they are using all these 30-something years old kids, children, as being better than you, when you come, then it is time for you to realize that what you are doing it totally wrong. Agídí ò ṣe. And all these men and women supporting you, especially if they are friends, because you sing, they are also using you. And I learned that you don't even like listening. I too know. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan, ẹ̀yin lẹ gbọ́n jù. Wọ́n ní ń gbọ́ wíwó pé yín advice yín ẹ máa dá sí rough ni, that you will turn it to rough, that you don't listen. Nobody can speak to you because some people are calling out your children that can't they do meeting, sit you down and talk to. They said you won't allow them talk. You will dominate this discussion. You won't listen. Kí n gbọ́ advice. Ti mọ̀ jù. You think you know everything. This one, with due respect, Alhaji, a goof gone. You goofed. A goof. Èèyàn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Go and listen to that girl. Bitterness pọ̀. I know you will say, thank God for your life. I'm going to allow you play one video. I think they went to bring out your video. It's trending again. You are going to play it. Bossman, I sent it to you. They said that video that you did it last year. Alaye mi ò rí. And I don't understand. That is why, as a celebrity, you all have publicists. Before you come out and talk, you will tell your publicist, this is what I'm coming to say. This is what I will say. I don't know how you said that thing in public. That's what you said. That interview, or if it was just gisting, I don't know. What you said there, it backs up this nonsense that is happening now. Everybody have their own nonsense. You understand? Things happen to people. But you understand, when things like this happen, and you look at the person, and you see signs of remorsefulness, everybody will be like, oh, Alhaji, they were remorseful. But you are not remorseful. You are not even sensitive to it. The same way, what you have done now, can I tell you what tallies with this? Can I tell you? What tallies with it is that moment, that time that you were accused of sleeping with Alaafin of Oyo's wife, Ola, and you quickly ran out with Dele Momodu to do damage control. Be it true, be it lie, you shall came to do damage control. That is the same way this also matters. It's either you come out and quickly, or you call the attention of that woman and tell your publicist or your secretary or whoever they are, they should do DNA and settle the matter. And it's because I want to agree that they always would try to reach you behind. You refuse or don't give them audience, then they publicize it. Because if you go and ask them, maybe for the past 1 year now, they have been calling you, trying to reach you, you are not responding. And all the people, Brother Ladun, Abi Brother Lara, Abi Lare, Abi Bota, whatever, all the people that are helping them, they stopped helping. All those ones are tired too. I'm not the one that impregnated you. So why would I be giving you money? And all this money that we are even hearing, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, even if it's 1 million, it's still rubbish money. Do DNA. Do DNA. Nothing stops you. Alaji, Emma Jekin parọ́ fún yín. Assuming you didn't even talk, you went solo, silent, just they look everybody, everything will die down. That music you did definitely shows you know her. You have seen her, you knocked her, you've had intimacy with her. You are aware of the pregnancy, and you also was the one that gave her the name of the child, or names of the child. You gave her the names. All this money we are hearing, 100,000, 200,000, mi ti gboro eri. Ise lo da pe mi ò rí rí Aláàjì. Owó yẹn là wá máa ń fún àwọn èèyàn tó bá wá sórí show wa, a máa ń fún wọn ni. Ìyẹn àwa ọmọ yín o. Àwa ọmọ yín báyìí 200, 300, a máa ń fún wọn dash. Ìmí máa ní òun fẹ́ dáwó lẹ̀, ìyá gbà, ìyá àwa o. Talk less of ẹ̀yin. Tẹ́ bá yàn sùn, tẹ́ shoot, that you shoot and you shot it and ó dọmọ. Ẹ fúnrú onítàn 100,000, 200,000, 300. It's wà embarrassing. Ṣé torí gẹ̀yẹn, ṣé ẹ wò ẹ look low na ni àbí kò yé mi, mo fẹ́ kéèyàn kan ṣàlàyé fún mi, because I don't think that ẹ bá èèyàn sùn, I hope it's not that money you are giving to ladies, so ẹ jẹ́ deviate there, dear. I hope it's not that money that you are giving to ladies. 200,000 and 300,000, 400. It's bad though. It's embarrassing, no? The other man that came to lie to you, the girl said, because I listened to that girl, ọmọ yẹn ti wà so bitter. Bitterness yẹn is not that she's bitter, like with, but gradually she will start to have resentment. I know, Alhaji, you may not care. I know you may not care. Like, I have many children. In my children, I have lawyer, I have counselor, I have this, I have that, I have that. But still, you people are allowing that child to suffer for what she knows nothing about. Especially you, Alhaji. Because definitely when you were sleeping with this Ogechi, when you were sleeping with her for years, you met her as a pedicurist. Maybe you went to the salon to go and do your nail. After you decided that, okay, I prefer home service, she started coming to the house. After she does your nail, everything, you carry her to the bed, you knock her. She will do pedicure for you. It will turn you on. You will knock her. So you people have been living like that. She started dating you, she claims, since when she was 20-something. And then from there, because I'm just trying to help you, take you back memory lane as she so explained to us. Then from there, at a point,
my people, now the video now on a new watch finish, so on a see what happen for inside the video. Alright, my people, I would like to end the video for you. Make una let me know what on a think for the comment section. And if una never subscribe, make una subscribe so that una no go miss any little gist way I upload. Una bye bye till I come on our next time. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.